In this video, you'll learn how to create a product bundle on Stan Store. By following these steps, you will successfully combine multiple items into a single bundle that customers can easily purchase. Start by navigating to the Stan Store interface. Locate the left sidebar, which contains various options related to your store. Find and click on the option labeled My Store. This action will take you to your main store management page. Once you are on the My Store page, look for a button labeled Plus Add Product. Clicking this button will initiate the product creation process. After the click, a new product setup screen will appear, allowing you to enter all necessary details for your bundle. At this stage, you need to enter a product name for your bundle. You can use names like Starter Pack Bundle or 3 in one bundle to convey what is included. After typing the name, move on to the description field. In the description area, provide a clear list of all items that are included in the bundle. This information is crucial as it informs customers about what they will receive when purchasing the bundle. Ensure the description is concise and easy to read. Next, you will need to upload images that represent the bundle. Look for the image upload section on the product setup screen. Select images that visually showcase the items in your bundle, as this can help attract potential buyers. After uploading the images, set a price for the entire bundle. Make sure to consider the total value of the individual items and decide on a competitive price that reflects the value of the bundle. Once you've entered the price, review all the details you have provided. Finally, locate the button labeled Publish or Save at the bottom of the product setup screen. Clicking this button will finalize the creation of your bundle. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your product bundle has been successfully created. Customers will now see this bundle as a single product that contains multiple items, making it easier for them to purchase everything at once. This not only enhances their shopping experience, but can also boost your sales. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.